Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix iPhone apps freezing problem after the iOS 27 software update. If your iPhone apps keep freezing, becoming unresponsive or crashing after updating to iOS 27, you are not alone. Major iOS updates can sometimes cause temporary compatibility issues with apps or introduce software bugs. Fortunately, there's some pretty handy fixes you can try to get everything running smoothly again. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to force kill the apps and then reopen them. If only one app is freezing, start by force closing it. To get it done, you just have to swipe it from the bottom of the screen and then swipe the frozen app away. Then you have to reopen it to see if the issue is resolved. After that, I will recommend you to reboot your iPhone. A simple restart can clear temporary system glitches that may have appeared after the iOS 27 software update. So just turn your iPhone off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Note that if your iPhone is completely unresponsive, perform a force restart by pressing volume up button, then you have to press and release the volume down button, and then you have to hold down the side button until the Apple logo shows up. Then I will recommend you to update your apps on your device. Note that many developers release updates shortly after a new iOS version launches to improve compatibility. So open the App Store and then you have to hit your profile picture located at the top right. Then select updates and then you have to go ahead to update all the apps that are pending to be updated. Next up, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone. Note that Apple frequently rolls out bug fix updates after major software rolls out. So head over to the Settings app, then choose General. After that, select Software Update, and then you have to go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS to improve system stability and fix known issues. And finally, I would recommend you to free up storage on your device. Note that low storage can affect app performance and even trigger a number of frustrating issues like overheating, app crashing, and app freezing. So head over to the Settings app and then choose General. After that, you have to choose the iPhone storage option. Now, ensure you have several gigabytes of free space, and if needed, make sure to delete all the useless apps, photos, or large files to recover as much free space on your device as possible. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix apps freezing problem on iPhone after the latest software update. Hopefully, we have managed to resolve the problem, and now all your apps have started to run smoothly all over again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.